Meaning of go ahead.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
Go ahead. The phrase go ahead can have a few different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. It can be used as an adjective to describe someone or something as bold, innovative, or progressive. In the context of giving permission, it can be used as a noun to refer to approval or authorization to proceed with a plan or action. Similarly, it can be used as a verb to give someone permission to take action or proceed with a plan. Overall, go ahead connotes a sense of forward momentum and progress.